Hey guys, this is Monkey's News, and on Monkey's News today, there's a game better than Gorilla Tag, in my opinion, right now, okay? So, Gorilla Tag, you better step up your game, because this, I don't know what to say, bro. This game is perfect, bro. Like, I love this game. It's better than Monkey's Place. It's better than Gorilla Taggers. It's better than Gorilla Tag. It's better than, like, most like off-brand like fan games like Capuchin and stuff, bro. Okay, and I'm not saying other fan games aren't cool, okay, but this one top notch in my opinion. Go download this right now. The game is Kitten Run VR. Go download it. I mean, also though, it would be pretty cool if I got moderator though, but I mean, like, kittens are like my favorite animals, so let's get into this, bro. They're like my top 10. Okay, Kitten Run VR. Dang. I like the kitten model. Okay. Player tutorial. I'm gonna get the tutorial. Welcome to Kitten Run VR. Okay. 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 Yeah. I'm too goated. Oh. Use the grip button to climb this rock again. Wait, so it's like a little rope that cats climb. I can finally be a cat. Oh, over here. Okay, what is this? Is that a Minecraft block? That's a Minecraft block, bro. You can grab this rock or stick and throw it around. Oh, wait, is it this? Hold on. So is this like a stick? I'm moderate. Can I like sit it on my arm? Okay, so you can sit on your arm and just yite. Okay, I'm gonna get some rocks ready to throw at people. Okay, big lag spike. Oh, I love that. Oh wait, I actually love it. Minecraft? Why did I just hear Minecraft? Name M. P. Yeah, sure. Yep. Boom, that's better. Okay. Enable settings. I don't know what that does. Minecraft, bro. Ooh, what the? Graphic settings might lag for quest. Oh, what the? I'm not lagging at all. That's surprising. I'm gonna turn that off though. Snap turn. Content creator options. What is that supposed to do? No, it's not. Join server 3 and join the fun. Oh. Yo!
Yeah, see, I got it.
Yeah, but
wait, how do you get out of here? How do you get out of here?
Yo!
What is there?
Don't try getting out of here, bro.
Let's go, I got third
I'm
person.
trying to live my life as a cat.
How do you get that? You go on Steven's Day. How do you get a Bugatti? I don't.
Bro,
that's inside. You want to get a Bugatti?
Oh,
Candy or a truck?
I am looking up.
I'm still going. I didn't fucking Ashton! Stop!
Hey, bro, you chill?
I woke up in I like the There's no way there's actually Bugatti. Are you doing meowing? Yeah, there was something meowing. It's actually pretty annoying that he's meowing. Stop! Hey, let me get on you, bro. You're actually like getting me capybara. How do you go through there?
How do you change your color? What the heck?
Shut up.
Are there like coats in this game? Oh.
Okay, I'll show you. Water. I haven't explored water yet.
Oh.
Come on. not gonna make it.
Oh, I actually have a vlog.
What is this shit?
Yo, that is
Way better.
actually scary.
I don't think I'm gonna ever put that on.
Better music.
Holy fuck.
You wanna what does this door do? Wait.
You see the button?
Hey, it's over.
Don't you smack me.
What does this door do? I'm
Let me join a server. Online player. Yeet underground. That's right, camera. You're ugly at recording. Dang, roasted. You know, it would be kind of cool if I was moderator, you know, and I'd be able to come in this event. But, sadly I'm not, and I can't. But, you know, that would be friends. I read friends as soon as I said friend. I meant to say that would be pretty cool, but I know it's not gonna happen. What is this, bro? Frying pan? Bin smash. Yo, someone 1v1 me down here, bro.
No.
Man, what's down here? Oh no. Oh,
Kitten man.
what in the world? What just happened there?
How?
Oh wait, did I just find a glitch to get outside the map?
How do I get out?
Owner, watch this video, and you might want to find this video, owner, so you can figure out how to fix this, because I just got out of the map and I could clearly get somehow into mod vents, owner. You might want to fix this stuff, because I could just go down this hallway into mod vents right now. You know what? I'm gonna do it just to prove my point. At least I'm going to try. You know, no, I'm trying to be good, bro. I shouldn't be doing that. I'm trying to be a good cat, bro. After many failed attempts, I finally did this. Bro, you just have to wait for the right moment, and then eventually you'll just be able to glitch. Wait. Oh, shoot. Oh! Yo, I missed it. And you move your arm there. So close. Oh, boom! And then you just gotta scooch over. And then throw yourself up on top of this, I'm pretty sure. Oh, no. No, don't do that. So I think just keep walking then. Hey, just keep it walking, mate. But the point is you can do it. You can like definitely do that. And I need that owner to fix it, okay? Owner, you better go fix that. Oh, what's this? Fan art. Yeah, I want my name to get low. Okay, so it's on low. Oh. That was not low, bruh. What is this game talking about, bruh? Oh, that was low. I don't know what this is gonna be. Oh, that's kind of high, I think. Let's see what the next one is, bro. This is kind of a weird cat trampoline, but whatever. Hey, what is that? Now just wait a dang minute. Wait a dang minute. Cut the cameras. What is this? Capybara. No, I need to see. Can you just do this to get outside of the map? Owner, I would, if you're watching this, owner, you should definitely hire me to look for glitches, because I'm like a glitch master. But, yeah. You should definitely hire me. But, it's really your choice. I'm not gonna sit here and beg you this entire bit. Floor's water. This is what I was looking for. So there's Cozy Cat Shop. What's this? Cosmetic shop.
Mario.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Stuck in a room. Can you help me?
No, I'm good.
Stuck in a room. Help.
No, I'm good. The war. Capybara or kitten, bro? Kitten.
Join the fun.
Color yourself. Wait, they don't have gray? Where's the gray at, bro? I want it to be my cat. I guess black I'll have to do. Oh, we got yarn? Hey, welcome to the summer sale. Oh, you're so cute, cat. Summer sale. Oh, I want this. Give me that. I want that. Oh, no, that's adorable. That's adorable. Not as adorable as this, though. Dude, why is he here, like, so cheap, in my opinion? I woke up in a new Bugatti. Want a hot dog? Oh, news! Kitten catastrophe news. Wait, can I go get the camera and record something real quick? No, my camera's stuck somewhere. Wait, I need to test something. So maybe if I go over here and I grab the... Oh wait, what's this door lead to? Boop. Modern smart rocket. Oh, I'm on like the moon. Yo, I'm sorry. Catastrophe. The atmosphere. Yo. Yo, it's so beautiful. Yo, this map's beautiful. Dude, this game's just calm, bro. This game's just like a calm down area. Let's try that thing. Oh, what? Server 1. Join the fun. Server, join the fun.
Did you beat it? Did you beat it? Yeah, I got it. Let's go. No, I'm talking to the other guy, not you.
Oh, sorry. Ooh, a beach.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes.
Let's go! Alright, I'll show you guys how to speed run. You wanna go flip it? Are you ready? Yeah. To see how to speed run.
Does it have swim settings? Yeah. It does!
Wait, does anyone have a mic? Do you have a mic? Yeah. Oh, right here? I can hear you.
They're not the best swim settings, but they are swim
go over here? And you want to go up here. What you want to grip. So hold on.
I'm not just gonna waste my time
right here
using pinch climbing to beat
I can show you another cosmetic. I can show you how to get floaty. Help! I'm stuck in the water. Okay.
Oh,
this is
monkey bars.
I got stuck in the water, and now I'm just in the water.
Dude,
I'm in the water for free.
No. Dude, I love cats. This game's like beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even like gorillas that much.
Ooh! Okay, guys, watch this. Ooh, a dungeon. And that's how you speed run. And you get it. You get it from this. Oh, wait, where'd my camera go?
Grab on, grab on, grab on, grab on, grab on, grab on, grab on. Dude, these monkey ones.
Hello, guys, I'm new. Guys, I'm
They're
new.
hard
I'm
to.
new this
Hey!
I'm new.
Floaty!
Kitten! Oh my god, I love cats. I really love cats.
Copy!
Simpleton! Alright guys, we gotta
Skateboard.
Is there a floor mode that gets there?
Floor is
I don't know.
water.
Holly, there's a door that if you press the red. If you press the red button, you can go. Ooh. Oh, no, that's a space map.
Oh, it's rising. Oh, it's rising. I'm best parkour master in this
Oh,
game.
water is rising. I forgot it's called Water is Rising. I'm an idiot.
It's called the floors of water.
I'm going into floors water.
Yo, parkour master.
Getting stuck like that.
Yo!
So I'm going in. Oh my god,
wait,
it's
what?
actually rising.
Yeah.
Where am I?
No.
Where am I getting stuck in some place? Oh god, no!
Bro really thought a game called the floor is water.
Yeah, actually
wasn't
run.
going to
You actually
rise.
can't run. So,
What's this? A
Help
glitch
me!
outside the map? You better patch
I'm in
that up
vlog
soon.
cam. I'm in vlog cam. Help!
Where's all the stuff that you can grab?
This is what it looks
See,
like
that's
in
my
vlog
question,
cam.
bro.
Okay, that's his question, bro.
Help! How do I get out of vlog cam?
I missed the part where that's my problem.
It's kind of good,
What?
you know?
Another beautiful
Climbing up a rope.
Like a
tunnel.
What's that?
Secret to
It's a rope down.
Hey, yo, chill.
Yo! Wait, it's like a pool, but the gravity's just weird in here.
Wait, do I take the keepers for when I leave?
It's a pool!
If I do, that's gonna be low key, guys. Oh, I don't.
I'm in a lab. What did I get into?
What did I do?
Why don't,
What did I
is this
do?
what cats feel like when they get catnip?
No!
Mom,
Stop.
meow.
No. Just stop
They
it,
get
bro.
really
Just-
high.
Just no. Why?
Oh,
Why did you have to do? Why did you have to do the cats like that, bro?
Get ready
Dude,
to get run over.
Why do the cats deserve
Get ready
guns,
to run.
bro?
Get run over. Guns.
Yo, I have a sniper. I got those for the Mexico. Yeah, I bet this gun will be a lot better to shoot
I'm
with.
gonna try this
You're
one.
not escaping!
Wait, I'm gonna shoot one of y'all.
No.
This Wait, don't shoot the car.
Shoot me, I'm gonna shoot him. It's doing nothing.
Wait,
I
don't
gotta
shoot
run.
the car. Don't shoot the car or it's gonna explode.
I'll get it. It's Kitten VR. Go try it out now. Beautiful game. Kitten. Yep, that's it.